Creditfixrr Professional Suite Credit Repair Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to the product can be found in the description below. Creditfixrr Professional Suite is a comprehensive credit repair software designed to help businesses in the credit repair industry manage clients, track disputes, and automate processes. It's specifically created for businesses looking to streamline their operations, improve client satisfaction, and scale their services with ease. This tool is ideal for credit repair companies that need an all-in-one solution to handle everything from client intake to dispute resolution and progress tracking. One of the standout features of Creditfixrr Professional Suite is its automated dispute management system. The software allows credit repair businesses to automatically generate and send dispute letters to credit bureaus, saving time and reducing the risk of errors. It also includes client management tools, which allow for easy tracking of each client's credit report, dispute status, and communication history. The platform offers a client portal where clients can log in to view their credit progress, making the process transparent and engaging. Another notable feature is this CRM integration, which helps businesses manage leads, schedule appointments, and follow up with clients efficiently. As for the strengths, Creditfixrr Professional Suite excels in automation and scalability. The platform reduces the manual effort required in credit repair processes, making it easier for businesses to handle a large number of clients without compromising service quality. It also provides detailed reporting and analytics that help businesses understand their performance and improve their strategies. Additionally, Creditfixrr is known for its user-friendly interface, which makes it accessible for teams with varying levels of technical expertise. However, weaknesses include the pricing structure, which could be a bit steep for smaller businesses or solo entrepreneurs, making it less accessible for those just starting in the credit repair industry. Some users have reported a steep learning curve, especially when it comes to mastering the full suite of tools offered by the platform. While the software is feature-rich, there may be a need for more customization options to suit very specific business needs. In conclusion, Creditfixrr Professional Suite is an excellent choice for growing credit repair businesses that want to automate and scale their operations. It's feature-rich, easy to use, and offers a robust suite of tools. However, its cost and learning curve may not make it the best option for everyone, particularly smaller businesses.